Hello, dear children, good morning. I'm going to start with the continuation reading part of the lesson today. And the name of the lesson is your fourth chapter, the Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains. Okay, the Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains. All of you open your textbooks, children. Open chapter 4. We have already started the reading part and completed the topics, the Northern Mountains, right? The Himalayan mountains, the Greater Himalayas, the Middle or Lesser Himalayas, and in today's class we are going to continue from the Lower Himalayas. Okay, the LOWER, the Lower Himalayas, the Shivaliks, SHIWALIKS, the Shivaliks or the Outer Himalayas is the southernmost and lowest range of the Himalayas. SOUTHERNMOST, southernmost and lowest range of the Himalayas. Shivaliks is known for the presence of special scenic scenic valleys called duns, DUNS. For example, Dehradun, 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 Patil, PATLI, Patlidan, PATLIDUN, Patlidan, Kotlidan, KOTLIDUN, Kotlidan, and Pinzori, PINJORE, Pinzoridan. Okay. For examples, Dehradun, Patlidan, Kotlidan, and Pinzoridan. The hills in this region are covered, COVERED, covered with dense forest, DENSE, dense forest, FORESTS, forests, and inhabited, INHABITED, and inhabited by rich wildlife. Its slopes, SLOPES, its slopes are used for cattle rearing, CATTLE, cattle, REARING, cattle rearing, and growing, GROWING, growing crops like rice, 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 POTATO, potato, and maize, MAIZE, maize. The North India, this range marks the end of mountains and the beginning, BEGINNING, beginning of plains. In between them lies the terai, TERAI, which is a dense marshy, MARSHY, marshy land. Crops like rice, 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 WHEAT, wheat, and sugarcane, 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 are mainly cultivated here, CULTIVATED, cultivated here. Now come to importance of Himalayas. IMPORTANCE, importance of Himalayas. The Himalayas acted as a natural, NATURAL, natural barrier, BARRIER, barrier against foreign, FOREIGN, foreign invaders, INVADERS, invaders in the past. Historically, 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 it has prevented, PREVENTED, prevented unfriendly arrivals and attacks from the other side of the mountains. It forms a natural boundary between India and neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, neighbors like China. It protects our country from the cold winds of the north. It protects the rain bearing, RAINBEARING, It prevents the rain-bearing winds from leaving the country, resulting resulting in heavy rainfall in India. The meeting snow of the Himalayas gives rise to some of the major rivers like the Ganga, Ganga, and the Yamuna, Yamuna. These rivers are perennial, perennial rivers because they have water throughout, throughout the year. Many valuable many valuable products like timber, timber, resin, and medicines, medicines are obtained obtained from the forest in this mountain range. It also sustains sustains a very rich variety of plants, plants, and animals, animals, which is not seen in other parts of the world. The forests of the Himalayas are home to many animals such as yaks, yaks, goats, snow, leopards, snow leopards, musk deer, musk deer, and wild sheep, sheep. Okay children, we will continue from life in the Himalayas in the next class. Okay, you go through till here. Okay, bye children, thank you.